Hi guys, thanks to all the integrations currently available, Home Assistant can do a bunch of things for us, not only for what concerns the monitoring of our houses. In this video tutorial I introduced how to take advantages of the local calendar recently introduced. In particular, I'm using the local calendar to track when I work from home. Just to give you a brief and quick recap about my creation, I've built this view named Calendar, where this part on the left is in charge to select and create the new event, and on the right, the calendar card will display the events on my local smart working calendar. The section in charge to select and create the new event is made of an input select helper to select the right event to be created, two input datetime helpers to set the start and end times of an event being created. As you can see, both helpers are still set to the date and time for which I had created the last smart working event. Now my goal is to have both input datetime helpers automatically set every day as follows: the date aligned to the current day and the time set to 8 a.m. for the start event and 7 p.m. for the end event, so that I don't have to do a lot of changes every time I'm going to create a new smart working event. Of course, something could be changed to fit the right needs, but this way a predefined date and time will be set every day. Are you ready? Let's now create the automation. Go to Settings, Automations and Scenes, Create Automation, Start from Scratch, Switch to YAML, and this is the code. Well, the trigger section is based on time and it fires at midnight every day. The action section is in charge to set the date and time for the start and the end events. This is the default time for the start event, and this is the default time for the end smart working event. Save. Checking the configuration as usual. Automation. Here we are. The automation has been executed, and now the date and times for the start event and the end event are correctly set. I do hope you have enjoyed this new tutorial. Do not hesitate to leave a comment in case of doubts, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on all the new upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.